Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Raggi Dosa at your home. So for this Raggi Dosa, here I added 1 cup of Raggi, Raggi flour, that is Raggi ka atta, and into this I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta. So I'm adding 1 cup of rice flour, and into this I'm going to add half a cup of suji. So here I am adding half a cup of suji. It gives a nice crisp in the dosa. That's why we are adding the rice flour and the suji. And into this I am going to add 1/4 cup of dahi. So I added 1 tablespoon of dahi, and I am adding another tablespoon of dahi. So we have to add 2 tablespoons of dahi, and in this I am going to add some salt as per taste. How much salt you want in your ragi dosa. This is very healthy dosa guys, and this is very good for the diabetes also. And into this I am going to add some cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. It gives a nice aroma in the ragi dosa. And if you want to add chopped onion, you can add chopped onion. And in this I'm going to add some fresh curry leaves. I added the fresh curry leaves, the hing powder. These things are the must. And I'm going to mix this one with the water. So I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to mix this one. So I added 1.5 cup of water to make a smooth batter of this ragi. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and I'm not going to make dosa now. I will make this one after 10 to 15 minutes. So we have to mix this one until there should not be any lump in this batter. So can you see? There is no lump. So this is the right consistency of this dosa batter. So yeah. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to prepare dosa. So here I took the non-stick pan, or you can prepare this one in the iron pan also. That is the dosa pan. And so in this I'm going to add this batter. So I prepared the dosa, and I added 1 teaspoon of oil in the surroundings of the dosa, and we have to cook this one until it becomes crisp and light brown. So we have to cook both the sides for 1 minute. So can you see guys, the color and the crispiness in this dosa, and this dosa is very good, as I said, for our health also. So I will show you guys. Take a batter and put it in this tawa. And I'm going to add some oil in the surroundings, and we have to turn this dosa. My Ragi dosa is ready with this chutney, guys. So this is a quick video of how to make ragi dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.